right, family, this is our new student, Western, and we want to ask him a couple questions about the class. So what do you think about the program at the Goodwill Academy? What do you think about what you have learned up to this point? And would you refer this program to someone else?
So basically, what I like about it so much is that it's a lot of one-on-one training. You don't have to wait on a machine. You can sit here at my machine the whole time, just constantly practicing. And it's a very small class, so you're always going to get time with your instructor. I would definitely refer it to anybody. I've had a lot of friends that went through welding school, and from what I hear, they had classes up to 20 and more, and they had to wait in line to, get a chance to get the practice. But the whole time you're here, you're getting to put your hands on the stuff.
So that's good. So you would recommend this program to somebody? Okay. So what about the instructor? You think you got a good instructor?
Yeah, you all right.
I ain't gonna blow my horn on that.
No, he's a great instructor. He's real patient, and it helps you learn in a different type of way. He's not going to give up on you unless you give up. So.
Fast food or something like that, and I've worked both sides of those jobs, and I wasn't happy with that, and I thought of entering a trade like becoming an electrician or plumbing, and eventually I just decided on welding.
Okay. So did you happen to run across somebody that you seen that was actually maybe told you something about welding, or maybe that made you start thinking about it? Did you run across somebody maybe working while you was doing those type of jobs?
My father actually told me, he actually advised me way before I was even in high school to start learning a trade and stuff like that. Said that if I wanted to, I could go to college, but if I chose not to, then I could always just hop in a trade.
I highly recommend anyone working for Goodwill take this welding class. It's a game changer skill set that you can take through life. Joe Brown is a great instructor. I highly recommend anyone come to this class.
I would highly recommend this class for anyone who's trying to advance their life, learn some skills, and actually apply it to a field that's constantly growing. People are always going to be building something, and even if they're not building, they're going to be fixing it. So being a welder is a good way to secure financial stability in your life. It can take you places. It's just awesome. You don't have to have a degree. You don't have to be a genius to pick it up. Just a steady hand and a willingness to learn and pay attention and just soak up all the information that the welding coach gives you. Man, the sky's the limit with this. I've seen job postings where they talk about paying $100 an hour. So that's a no-brainer. You know, you can start out small, just work your way up, and it's limited.